We are Co Hranice. We produce and supply turnkey machines. Since our establishment, we have been constantly developing and expanding, and our greatest advantage is that we can rely on our own design offices. Our designers have years of experience and are therefore the brain and soul of our new equipment. We take care of the whole process related to the equipment. We design it and automate it based on your requirements. Thanks to our own workshop, we can offer you great flexibility, lower costs, and fast delivery of spare parts. We can program your electrical project immediately and take care of warranty and after-warranty service through our qualified staff. And what can we do? Assembly applications of the products that give you maximum control over the process and its stability. Manipulation and movement of products within facilities with maximum effectiveness of material flow. We can select the appropriate product inspection and significantly reduce the risk of additional costs. We can also automate packaging, saving valuable human labor resources. We are a smaller company, but our greatest pride is our flexibility and many years of experience and practice. We do not look for obstacles, but for ways.